we've got 2 more days until the end of 2021 and the constant debacle and debate. Will the AMC Moass happen in 2021? It's looking very bleak. It's looking very, very bleak. Looking at the chart right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We got 2 more days in the trading year of 2021, and AMC is not looking like it's going to go to $100 today, at least not so far. We're going to take a look at the chart and talk about my trade yesterday. I had put options that I bought on AMC, the $28 put options. Well, they're printing today. They're printing very beautifully. We're going to take a look at the chart. So taking a look at the chart here on AMC, you can see today $27 down there to $27, bouncing right now. Looks like we got a little bit of support here at the $27 area. We kind of identified that yesterday, and that's exactly why I ended up covering my put options this morning on AMC down at this level. I will say that I have bought a few call options, some $29 call options, with the idea of AMC trying to pop off of this level and try to push back up to $28, $29 going into Friday, and then basically ending the week flat here. It's kind of what I'm seeing right now looking at the chart. If you look here at the daily chart, we've got this level, this $27 level, multiple times bouncing off of this level. We've seen, overall, we've got this downward trend that we're in right now, but we've got a little bit of support kind of forming there at the $27 area right now. So I always get a lot of questions from people asking, what broker do I use for buying, selling options for crypto and all that fun stuff? I'm using Interactive Brokers as my trading platform, as my broker that I use, and their mobile app is something that I really do love and enjoy. The mobile app's really easy. You can check out all the charts. You can do the different EMAs. You can do all types of technical analysis. You can do all the breakdowns, a lot of information right there on the app. If you guys want to learn more, there's a link down below. Check them out, Interactive Brokers. Let's get back into the video. Just in case we do get a little bit of a bounce off of here, it's pretty cheap. I think I paid 40 cents for those call options today. 39 cents for those call options. And looking to see if we can't get a push back up here today. Looking at the 15-minute chart, kind of what I'm looking at. I'm watching, like I said, that $27 area here on the chart right now. We sold off this morning from $28.34 down here to $27. Looking for a push back up into this $28 level. I think if we can push back up into this point here, well, those call options that I bought would still, they might not be in the money, but they're going to make me a little bit of profit here today if we do start to push it back up. And the reason that I'm thinking that we might push back up is if you look at the chart here, we've bounced now off of this level 3 times in a row. So we've got this kind of big sell-off, the big push back, the big sell-off, the big push back. And then today kind of looking similar to that idea here for AMC. So as much as I'm a bear on AMC long-term, I will play the opportunity for volatility, the ups and the downs. And I will look to make money on the up and the down as the stock bounces around. So right now, looking like that $27 area wants to hold. Let's see if it'll happen. Looking on the 15-minute chart, looking still like it might want to sell through here with all of that resistance and everything going on here. I think if we can push above the high on these 2 candles is 27. Let's get up here to the 27.40, 27.50 area, and then it might be kind of, let's see if we can push up here at 28. Those 40-cent call, well, the $29 call options that I paid 40 cents for, if we can push up here to the 28s, we might be able to get, a 20, 30-cent move there on those call options. So that's why I see some type of volatility or why I see some type of reason to want to buy into that call options because, looking at the chart here, obviously we've bounced off this level multiple times. So I don't want to be buying put options at this point, just in case, we do bounce back up. We've seen this happen too many times with AMC where we get stuck in this range. And, well, if you're trading, it's hard to make money if you're just basically buying at the top, selling at the bottom, and then selling at the bottom, and then, vice versa. You want to obviously be on the right side of the trade here. So I feel like I'm on the right side of the trade the last few days, being able to buy call options, being able to buy put options, basically at the top up here at this $29 level, buying put options, and then at this level down here, buying call options to basically ride this momentum volatility here. But let's see. Right now, it really comes down to if $27 can hold. If $27 cannot hold, I would expect a move down here to, we'll see this. I don't want to say it, but if $27 can't hold, I'm expecting maybe a $25 move or a move down to $25 the next day or so here on Friday. But probably thinking that this is going to get stuck at that level, you know, this $27 to $28 range kind of gets stuck in here like it's been doing. I mean, you can see we get these big pushes up on AMC, get a big push up, and then it gets stuck. Get a big push up, get stuck. That's part of the plan. Trading, you know, basically, I'm looking at this as this is support here at the $27 level. I'm going to buy call options. I'm going to then sell my call options that we push up here towards this resistance level there on AMC. Maybe there's a miracle waiting to happen. Maybe we'll get a miracle here today. Maybe AMC will just go to the moon. Just go to the moon, baby. I would love nothing more, my friends. I would love nothing more than if AMC just skyrockets to $40 today or tomorrow. You know, I'm just putting it out there. I would not, and nothing would make me happier. All right? Nothing will make me happier, but I've got to be realistic as a trader, and I've got to look at this, you know, from a trader perspective. We've seen these bounces off of this level before. I think the risk to reward is there. I got some pretty good options here, $29. So we'll look for this to kind of figure out which way it wants to go here. But again, we got a lot of resistance here on the chart holding us down right now. And like I said, if we can maybe push up here 2740, 2750 and start to push up here, have to push up there, there might be some opportunity to make some money here on AMC today. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We're watching 2719. If we get a push up here, come on, baby. Let's go. But definitely very interesting looking at the daily chart, how this is all kind of playing out and identifying that, you know, support there at the $27 level today, bouncing off of there. So if we could get, maybe we could, you know, set up for a little breakout to the upside here. Still looking for that target of that $40 level to really load up on some put options at that point. We get a bounce from here to $40. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Let's go, baby. Let's start the party. So that's kind of my overall plan right now. I ended up closing out my put options this morning as we sold off below $28 or $27 actually. And then I opened up some call options to see if we can't get a bounce off of this level. As of right now, we're holding that $27 level, but can we get moving higher from here? The $1 million question, the $1 million question, my friends. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I'll talk to you guys later on.